Alright, y'all, you're back, and we're back. And I got another package. An unboxing, y'all. Hey! Oh my god, there's the knife. I should have known. Alright, hang on, we'll be right back. Okay, you guys, we're almost there. All of these bags were inside of that bag. So, oh my god, not the knife. All of these packaged bags came out of that bag. This will be a Flory Day review for those of you who order off of Flory Day. And we'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I'm pissed off because I just found one of my items that's broken, but everything else seems to be okay. The item was one of my sunshades that I bought. Just irritating because, yeah, it can't even be repaired. Like, it snapped. So, I'll show it to you. But here are the tops that I got. I think the tops are really cute. And like I said, these clothes run kind of small, but I am small, so I bought small like sizes, and this is really cute. I tried him on. He fits perfectly. He's adorable. He's real cute. You see my nails, you guys? I'm so happy I was able to finally get them done after my fail on camera. Maybe it's something about doing them on camera, but I still need a lot of practice. My acrylic bead method is not good. Anyway, these are some pants that I got. Aren't they cute? They're like the big old, you know, I love big palazzo pants because, like I said, I'm an old lady, so I don't have no business wearing no tight clothes, especially to work. These are cute palazzo pants. Kind of thin. Kind of worried about that, but they're adorable nonetheless. I like them. And let's see, we'll do the accessories by themselves, you guys. Excuse my tablecloth, I gotta take them off and wash them. One top, and I love these colorful tops, these prints, they're really nice. And that one, I thought it was gonna be a silk material. He's actually like a thick kind of cotton, but nonetheless, he's still cute. Then I got this one with this black, and he's silk. And I noticed that some of these tops, they have like a little gap. Like this one, I have like a shell that I can put underneath it because I will be wearing it to work. And I don't even have any girls anymore, but still, you know what I mean. For those of you that do, just keep that in mind. If you're trying to wear these to work, you're gonna have to put a top underneath. So, and then you see how thin this is. I mean, you can see right through it. So you'll have to put like a camisole or a little shell top. This one is cute too. He reminds me of like a Versace. Trying to be a Versace. Cute though. He doesn't have the low cut neck, so that's cute. So those are those. And then I had one more top I had actually bought to go with those gray pants, but he looks more casual than I think. So he'll probably just go with some jeans or something on dress down day at work. And yeah, he's still cute nonetheless. I love hearts and stuff like that. So. Alright, so here are the accessories. The little broken glasses, you guys. Like the little stem was already in him, like moving around. I'm like, oh my gosh, he cannot be fixed, because if you see where he broke off at up in there, you'll see that little part. Like, I could try and crazy glue him, but he's probably not gonna work, to be honest. I can try, but it's not gonna be even worth the return because he was only like $4. Some earrings. These are cute. Now, they didn't come in a little package like the other stuff, so I'm gonna put them back in their little package they came in. Those are adorable. I got some bracelets. And I think it was a set, like you get like 6 wristlets with it. You're supposed to wear them all together. So, and they all come together. Those are cute. They have the cutest jewelry on their little site. This one is like some earrings and a necklace and a ring. And they all come in a little set together. So cute. I love costume jewelry, you guys. I adore it. Another belt. I got one like this off of Amazon, and I got one from Flory. I couldn't get these earrings out, you guys. I'm trying to get used to my nails, so. But they are cute. They're like really long faux diamond ones. And I think there may be a necklace in there that goes with them. So, super cute. Super cute little necklace. And I couldn't get him out either. But when I put these clothes on and I wear them, I'll just keep in mind to record myself so I can do a review. Keep in mind that if you do order their shades, they may come broken, like I said. And it's too bad. I might try to glue them, you guys, because these are so cute. Like, I love cute shades. I love shades, period. I used to collect them when I was younger because I would always wear them with shades to match whatever outfit I had. And it was always a routine for me to get a pair of shades and a purse to go with whatever outfit I was wearing. So this is cute. I'm gonna see if I can fix them. I might be able to with some crazy glue, like I said. I don't know. I don't know, because if it's the part, it's not the part that bends, so that I might be able to fix them. Because you see how that part is, here, like the little handle. That part is not the bendy part, but the fact that that part does have to move may affect it being able to be glued. So I don't know. We'll see, you guys. I'll let you know if I'm able to successfully fix it, because they are cute. I love them. They're adorable. But yeah, you guys, this is my Flory Day review. And all of these clothes, like I said, came in that bag. I was like shocked when I unboxed it, because I'm thinking, whoa, I didn't know all of my stuff came at one time. All of my things came at one time. Took me 2 weeks to get my items, which is not bad. Faster than Wish. And you don't have various boxes, because I still have things I'm waiting on from Wish. Eyelashes. There's a lot of things I'm still waiting on. So, all right. Peace out.